Hey everyone, Steve Holcomb here. We're at the Enduro GP Round 1 in Italy, in Sicily. Weather's looking good, sun's good, tests are looking really good. Pumped to start the Enduro GP Championship on the 300 two-stroke. New team this year with the Sherco Racing factory racing team, and yeah, keen to get the 2026 season underway.
Here we have some news. Okay, we confirm 3 riders from last year: Rousali, Maghen, and Hamish McDonough, our world champion. And finally, we catch up with Steve Holcomb. So we give a strong welcome to Steve. We work very hard this winter to try to give the best product to our guys, and I hope it will be a good race and a good season.
Questa volta col numero 70 arriva Steve! Oh no!
Hard day, eh?
How was the transfer?
Not so hard, but always in the rock, and we don't have a lot of time every time check. You know, the day is fast, always, non-stop. With the sun is hard, but no, good day. I'm happy. Thank you.
Team Sherco Factory naturalmente.
First GP of the season done in Sicily. This was always the one that I was a little bit more nervous at, having so much time off last year, and this condition generally for the two-stroke isn't the best, so I was pretty stoked yesterday to be right in the fight with Josette. Second overall, won my class. Today was kind of going in the same way and had a bit of an off in the enduro test, so yeah, extremely lucky to walk away from that one. Guys did a great job straightening the bike up when I came back here, and yeah, managed to claw my way back to second in class and 6th overall, so yeah, pretty content with that for the first round of the season.
Hi, we finished just the week here in Italy. First Enduro GP of the year. I am very happy with my weekend. P2 E1 both day, 4 and 5 overall. It was a very good weekend. The test was good. The weather, all. I am very happy. Thank you all the team, and see you in Spain.
Difficult weekend here in Sicily. Really struggled, especially today. Bit of a difficult period right now, but yeah, not really sure what to do or where to go or what to try. Italian Championship next week, so try and change something up for that. Only upwards from here.